Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to use this multi-row formula tool in case of Alteryx. So for that purpose, we have to input the data with the help of input data tool. I brought this input data tool in the canvas and connect it with the data. Click on this particular drop down. It will redirect us to the data connection window. The path is being selected. I will select this particular data name as office citizen. It will ask us to select a row, select a sheet from this particular file. I'll select this multi-row formula sheet. I'll click on OK. I'll click on Run. Okay. So you can observe over here that this is nothing but merged. So after this state name is Texas and below that there are null fields. So we have to represent this as Texas. Then there will be another state which is named as Ohio. So these are nothing but the merged cell. That's why it is shown as null Ohio. Then it is Washington. So how we can represent it? So this null fields will be represented by the state name Texas. Below that there will be Texas. There will be null fields, and Ohio. After that there will be Ohio. Similarly for Washington, the null fields will be replaced by the respective state names. So this is the use of this particular multi-row formula. I will show you the database first. This is the database. This is the file. So these are having null fields over. So this is nothing but the area, that is the state, and the market. This is having the sales. So that's why it is shown as null for each of the states, Texas, Ohio, and Washington. So I'll go to this multi-row formula tool, connect it with the input data tool. Now I'll click on this update existing field, select the field names as state, go to this expression window and type if is null bracket, go to this row plus 0, click on state bracket closed, then enter, go to this row minus 1, click on row minus 1 state. So it means that the null values will get eliminated and it will be represented by the state. So Texas, Ohio, and Washington. Else enter, keep it as it is by the state name, enter, and if. So the expression is being completed now. So I'll just click on run. Now you can find out that when I click on the input anchor, you will be finding this null fields, and when I click on the output anchor, so Texas, below Texas there are some null fields. So it is represented by Texas only. Ohio is similarly for Washington. So in this way, we can use the multi-row formula. I hope you have understood this use of multi-row formula. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.